Real Estate Math. Practice Test 2026 5 questions. Question 1 of 5. A house sells for $350,000 with a 5% total commission. What is the total commission paid? Option A, $3,500. Option B, $17,500. Option C, $35,000. Option D, $70,000. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, $17,500. Commission equals sale price times rate equals $350,000 times 0.05 equals $17,500. Question 2 of 5. A $24,000 commission is split 60/40ths between listing and buyer's brokerages. How much does the listing brokerage get? Option A, $9,600. Option B, $12,000. Option C, $14,400. Option D, $15,000. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, $14,400. Listing side equals 60% times $24,000 equals $14,400. Buyer's brokerage equals 40% times $24,000 equals $9,600. Question 3 of 5. An agent has a 70/30ths commission split with their broker. The agent earns $9,000 from a sale. What does the agent take home? Option A, $2,700. Option B, $3,000. Option C, $6,300. Option D, $9,000. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, $6,300. Agent share equals 70% times $9,000 equals $6,300. Broker keeps 30% equals $2,700. Question 4 of 5. A home sells for $500,000. Commission is 6%, closing costs are $5,000, and the seller's mortgage payoff is $200,000. What is the seller's net? Option A, $260,000. Option B, $265,000. Option C, $295,000. Option D, $300,000. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, $265,000. Net equals sale price minus commission minus closing minus loan payoff. Commission equals $500,000 times 0.06 equals $30,000. Net equals $500,000 minus $30,000 minus $5,000 minus $200,000 equals $265,000. Question 5 of 5. A seller needs to net $200,000 after a 5% commission. What must the home sell for? Round to nearest dollar. Option A, $210,000. Option B, $210,526. Option C, $211,000. Option D, $221,000. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, $210,526. Net equals sale price times 1 minus commission. $200,000 equals SP times 0.95. SP equals $200,000 divided by 0.95 is almost equal to $210,526.